Hello, welcome to this special 6-year anniversary unboxing for Smile Create Repeat. This is a special surprise for our subscribers, but it's just the normal every month, just like every month that we always give. Just amazing art supplies every month delivered to your door, free shipping, no extra fees, and a lot of great stuff, so you'll see. So something we're doing this month is you can earn free supplies, and that's just by referring your friends. So if they sign up, and subscribe, you'll get free extra supplies in your next month's box, and we go through how you do that. So if you love us, please share it. It makes a huge difference for us. A small gesture from you makes a big impact. So please and thank you in advance for your help and support. So we've been doing this for 6 years, and I think a big part of that is our creative card. We list out all the great supplies you get, all the bonuses that you get, because we promise 5 or more every month. And here we have 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 to 14. So we got 14 this month. And on the back of the creative card, we give you the link to, it doesn't click because it's paper. And we have the step-by-step demonstration, so you have an idea of what you can do with it and different techniques to get the most out of the supplies that we included each month. And we do that every month, so it's pretty awesome. And we don't just give you a bunch of pens every month. We switch it up, as you'll see. It's pretty exciting. All right, so we have this koi water brush. It's 2 pieces. You got the barrel and then the brush part, and you just take it apart, open the package, fill that with water under the faucet, put it together, and then as you're squeezing the handle, water comes out. So that's a great one. And that's got a pretty big brush tip on it, you can see right there. But it also comes to a point, so you can do nice fine details, but also push it down and get broader strokes. So that's fantastic. Oh, we have our Altoid tin. This is full of mints, so those, just enjoy those. But then you'll see in the creative card what we do with those. Oh, what's in here, I wonder? Let's open that up and see. Oh, look at that. Oh, that one stuck to the tape. All right, so we have these watercolor pans. We have orange watercolor paint, purple watercolor paint, and green watercolor paint. And then you also have 3 empty pans, so you can get your own tube colors, and you just squirt some in there and then you let them dry. And that's it. And then what you do with those is once you've eaten your Altoids, you have, oh, let's actually get this little gift package here. What do we have here? We have our Kimberly F pencil. So that's a harder lead, but kind of in the middle. But that'll be great to draw on your watercolor paper. You can draw right on there and then use that pencil to add more details, or it's light enough where you can just paint over it and you won't even see the lines. So that's the Kimberly pencil you have there. What else do we have? Our Smile Create Repeat Art is Good pencil, so you know where you got your amazing art supplies. And then you have, this isn't an art supply, but it's important for what we're doing here. This is a strip of magnet. Cut it into 6 pieces. It's adhesive on the back, so you peel that off. You stick it on the back of there, and then when your Altoids are empty, it sticks right to the inside of your Altoid tin so your watercolors don't move around. We have our new logo and sticker. We wanted to make a sticker that's cool for you guys, so you enjoy using it, but it isn't blaring Smile Create Repeat. So it says it on the bottom, so you remember, but it's just a cool palette and art supply sticker, so we hope you like that. And we have, oh, I can't get my fingers on it, a pumpkin sticker. This is from Madeline Janelle, fantastic artist. You should check out her website. She has, the link is on the creative card. She provided these stickers for us. Yeah, she's amazing. She's super nice and a great artist, so please check her out, and what an awesome sticker, so thank you. And then we have 2 postcards, and they're Smile Create Repeat, but these are some of our artists. The mushroom is by Coloring Brittany, and there's a link in the creative card, so you can check out her great work. And then also this one is Sabrina Scribbles, and that is a gouache painting she did with some of our supplies. I hope you enjoyed that amazing, what is this month, October? October 2020 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. We had a ton of great stuff in here. We hope you love it, and please give us a try. If you're not already subscribed to us, please give us a try. You're gonna love it. If you ever have any comments, please let us know. We'd love to hear about them. So thank you so much. Have a great month, and remember to smile, create, repeat.